Welcome to Health and Wellness with a new video. Today we bring very impressive beauty and skincare tips for you. We're going to talk about a topic that's close to all of our hearts, achieving that perfect natural glow for our skin that lasts forever. Let's start without any further wait. Achieving a natural glow for our skin is not a one-time event. Rather, it is a continuous process that involves several factors. Let's take a look at some of the things you can do to achieve a natural glow for your skin that lasts forever. First thing you can do: stay hydrated. One of the most important things you can do for your skin is to stay hydrated. Drinking enough water throughout the day helps to flush out toxins from your body and keeps your skin hydrated from within. This, in turn, leads to a natural and healthy glow that lasts forever. Second is: follow a healthy diet. What you eat can have a huge impact on the health and appearance of your skin. Make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains in your diet, as these are rich in vitamins and antioxidants that are essential for healthy skin. Avoid processed foods and sugar as much as possible, as they can lead to inflammation and breakouts. Third is: get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for healthy skin. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates cells, which leads to a natural glow on your skin. Make sure to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night to keep your skin looking healthy and radiant. Fourth is: exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating your skin regularly helps to remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover, which leads to a natural glow on your skin. Use a gentle exfoliator at least once a week to keep your skin looking bright and healthy. Fifth is: protect your skin from the sun. The sun can cause a lot of damage to your skin, including premature aging, dark spots, and an uneven skin tone. Make sure to protect your skin from the sun by wearing a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. You can also wear a hat and sunglasses to provide additional protection. Let's conclude today's video. Achieving a natural glow for your skin that lasts forever is all about making the right choices and developing healthy habits. By staying hydrated, following a healthy diet, getting enough sleep, exfoliating regularly, and protecting your skin from the sun, you can achieve a natural and healthy glow that lasts forever. Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on beauty and skincare.